Let's break it down, the local zones for the near for futures entry. So for spots, guys, like you remember the $1.23 and 75 cents, it's more than okay accumulate for the spot position. I'm waiting the 75 cents. If we will see this target, maybe I will buy some spot. But now I trade only the futures. We can hide this FIB, and that rectangle still relevant. So I would like to see that two zones. First one, or sweep this high. Well, for me, it will be like a break of structure on the daily time frame. So until we not break this high, this is a break of structure. I'm just on the sideline, right? It's about the global reversal move. If we would like to see some prices over than $2, $3, $5 and higher, we need at least break the high of January 26. What will leave it here? So this is about a confirmation of the uptrend structure. Until we trade under this high, we're still in a downtrend structure. So it's pretty simple. So like you can see where that one demonstration. So this, this one, lower high, lower low, lower high, and or we hold the line and drop to my zone where I market for futures trade is $1.03. Here, the zone where most likely I will try open the futures trade, because I don't think so we're going to hold the line at $1.18. So it's so attractive, right, to sweep this high, because you could imagine how many people opened longs here, for example, and add the stop loss with 18% stop loss. So I will be not surprised if we dump even under 80 cents. And here, so the next stop is here. So like 13%. But guys, with the 10x leverage, it's a liquidation if you not trade with a cross margin, of course. But I don't recommend it to trade with a cross margin. That's why, guys, for me personally, the entry can be at this block. So it's like 12-hour time frame order block can be the last candle, this one, which give us the impulse. So here, let's mark it like a 12-hour time frame order block. So this candle give us the impulse. We form, retest this order block, bounce, reaction, form the high. But usually this, like people trade this trend line, it's broke. Now the people say it's a fake out, but also they will start now draw this one, adjust the lines, but it's totally wrong. It's absolutely totally wrong. So most likely we sweep this low of March 14. And after that, next liquidity pool will be here $1.18. And only at $1.03 at the retest of order block, like confirm it will be valid only if we hold that line there. Maybe I will try open the futures trade. That time, of course, we need to be here or inside a block, and stop loss, I don't know, maybe added under the block. So it's 5%, 10x, 10% stop loss with second leverage, and the target, guys, for the futures will be here. So 10% against 200. This can be the good entry. We have to work with the stop losses, and we have to understand we take an action or not. That's why this is my zone of interest for the near. ADZ, neutral. No accumulation, no distribution. Neutral on a daily. 12 time frame showed you. 4 time frame here was a distribution. This is like on the neutral zone, not an accumulation. So I skip the trades now. Direction. No signal for accumulation yet. 12 time frame also no signal for accumulation. Some was here, but now nothing. Daily time frame, we bounce it, right? But without any signal of accumulation now for continuation. That's why, guys, we bounce it like 78%. So I'll be not surprised if we dump by end of the March to this block. And if we hold this line at $1, yes, maybe in April and May, we could see the sweep of this high like 334. But this is a zone where we work now, and this is a potential entry. Take a look, guys, with the levels. I would like to show you these levels on a 4-hour time frame. The opens. We need to pay attention also for the opens of the yearly open and the monthly open. So I recommend you use these indicators. So this one, yearly open, monthly open, and hide the session here. So here, what we can see, I would like to see the sweep of monthly open, this one. And after that, something like this one with a dump on some news form like double bottom global one and going to the yearly open here. That's why for me personally, monthly open is like a magnet for the liquidation, not for the entry. Is it possible so we're going to hold the line at this order block? Yes, but I better reduce the risk. Sometimes I better skip the trade, then I just hop in by luck. So market mood, guys. This is a hopium. Some people open a lot of long position, but 12 time frame is aphoria. 78% is enough for the near to see the aphoria. Daily time frame also aphoria. Weekly time frame, of course, it's a correlation disbelief. That's why, guys, I wish to see this week or the next one even test this block, confirm like a strong support level at the $1 price and start climbing up to the higher price targets. Trade on, money power. Money in. For investment, of course, here was money in February. Now, trade on, recommendation, close position. Market mode we can close. Money power, no signals to money out, money inflow, nothing. And here, 12 time frame sell. Buy, 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 buy. Here was take profit, sell, sell. No, nothing. So add alert. By the way, here was a MACD bearish awareness. Let's add alert, guys, to take profit. Trade on, take profit from the 12 time frame sales. For me, I guess by end of the weekend, I guess we will see that signal. It will be like confirmation to close all short position. Yes, of course, guys, keep in mind, we can see even this move, like 3 days pattern, 1, 2, 3, sweep the high. It means by beginning of April, we could see the correction. I wish to see correction now and reversal move. No money inflow yet. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. We almost touched a take profit line. And the buy line now on a 12 time frame, it's 77 cents 7. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. A buy line on the daily, it's 92 cents. Also, I don't think so. We're going to test that low. A 4-hour time frame, if we check the take profit line, but of course, 4-hour time frame, it's more for intraday. But yes, it's good because the lines start curve up. So it's positive reversal move. I think by end of the week, we could see here the buy line test like this and reversal move since Monday. All right. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write us in a comment what you think about the new protocol. If you'd like to trade with my custom I will show in this video, just write me the DM. I'll recommend you add the same alerts. And don't forget, show my Tech channel. See you next time, guys.